With the development of the industrial age, the consumption of human beings seem to be endless. The dark clouds of a resource shortage hang over the human civilization. Will the resources be used up? At the same time, environmental pollution accompanying industrialization seriously influences the health and life quality of the developing countries, including China. The only way for sustainable development of human beings is to make full use of renewable resources and to protect the ecological environment at the same time. Natural, healthy, and high-quality life is the ultimate goal of human beings. The modern starch industry has a history of over 100 years, and the starch industry in China has experienced rapid development since the reform and opening up, especially in the past 15 years. Rapid development of the starch industry also brings a huge resource waste and environmental pollution. Since its establishment in 1990s, Tidecom has put forward the great vision of creating value for clients, innovating life with the technology, and to be the leading provider of food engineering technology. Tidecom has 4 technical goals: higher extraction efficiency, higher product quality, lower energy consumption, and easier operation and maintenance. Tidecom holds the enterprise spirit of integrity, pragmatism, efficiency, and innovation, bears its mission of applying scientific research achievements, satisfying market demand, and improving life quality, provides customers with a comprehensive solution for engineering fields, including food processing, agricultural products, pharmacy, chemistry, environmental protection, and energy. To provide a perfect service for domestic customers in North and South, Tidecom established a brand new organization structure with headquarters in Hefei, a city famous for its scientific research and education in central China, in 2011. Now the company has 200 employees and achieves a sales value of more than RMB 100 million. There are 4 departments: the R&D division, the engineering division, the manufacturing division, and the import and export division. As the top brand in China tuber starch industry and also the top brand representing China in international market, Tidecom has been concentrating on research and development since its establishment. Tidecom has an information center in Holland and a joint venture in Denmark to ensure its technology be in sync with that of Europe. It also invests RMB 50 million on R&D base in Ulaanbaatar, Inner Mongolia. The base has the largest, the most comprehensive test systems and pilot-scale experiment systems for tuber starch, flour, and modified starch. In Hefei, Tidecom set up the DFS Research and Development Center for New Technology and Techniques by coordinating with the National Biotechnology and the newest international achievements. Tidecom Technology Company Limited has a technical team over 100 people, with 80% graduating from universities and colleges or above. More than that, the company has more than 20 senior engineers and experts in the fields of starch machinery, starch processing, modified starch production, fermentation and starch sugar production, jam breeding, wastewater treatment, and automatic control system. By taking advantage of the geography and industry, it also carries out technology cooperation and innovation with institutions and establishes a chain of production, teaching, and research with them. They are USDC, University of Science and Technology of China, China Research Academy of Environmental Sciences, Hefei University of Technology, Zhejiang College of Science and Technology, the Potato Institute of Ulanzhebe Vocational and Technical College, etc. For years, the company has been making continuous technological innovations and obtained more than 40 patents in starch machinery field. In 2013, the company was awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise certification. In 2014, the company accomplished independently the Technology Innovation Fund project sponsored by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Tidecom is dedicated to engineering technology, focusing on starch one-in and one-out system, including engineering of starch extraction, modified starch processing, protein extraction, liquid fertilizer, fiber extraction, flour processing, and environmental energy. The key technologies include sampling and analysis system, raw materials treatment, high-efficiency chopping, centrifugal screening, hydrocyclone washing, dewatering and drying, is electric flocculation, evaporation and concentration, environmental biogas, subcritical extraction, powder storage, auto packing and auto palleting. In recent years, the company's production lines have covered all tubers, grains and beans, including potato, tapioca, sweet potato, corn, wheat, pea, rice, sago, ripe, yam and radix puraria, etc. The maximum single-line production capacity of a fresh potato can reach to 45 tons per hour, and tapioca starch productivity to 300 tons per day. SGT Company Limited, a subsidiary of a Tidecom Group, is a professional factory of starch equipment manufacturing. SGT is reputed internationally the first Chinese brand in starch processing equipment field. To coordinate with the extension of product variety and productivity, Tidecom Group set up Anhui DTS Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Company Limited in 2016. Covering an area of 60,000 square meters and over 900 units of manufacturing and R&D equipment. DTS has an annual production capacity of 35 sets of mechanical vapor recompression evaporators, 60 sets of high-speed centrifugal dryers, and 20 sets of high-efficiency starch extraction equipment. Tidecom has been devoted to starch processing technology for 20 years by pursuing excellence in SGT brand quality. Each of the equipment produced undergoes 3 rounds of standardized designs, including assembly drawing, semi-assembly drawing, and a BOM list. The Manufacturing Technique Division decomposes the drawings and sends the fabricating standard drawings to workshops and also develops tooling and fixture specially for them. The Materials Supply Division allocates materials directly to workstations and assigns them according to the BOM, achieving the highest efficiency. Advanced processing equipment are operated by sophisticated technicians, and in key stations by those all with 7-year above experience. Advanced equipment and experienced staff ensure the precision and finish of products. QC system is carried out throughout the whole process of manufacturing, which guarantees the quality of SGT products. Another important guarantee is that each component are from international famous brands and qualified, reliable suppliers. With persistent and specialized efforts of on-site management and technical teams, the pursuit spirit for high quality has been carved into the deep mind of every Tidecom member. That is why SGT has been on the top of a quality inspection ranking list for years. As early as in 2007, the company has passed the Quality Management System ISO 9001. The certified products cover all the starch processing plants, whose performance are in accordance with the European Union Mechanical Safety Standards 2006-42 EC and Low Voltage Standards 2006-95 EC. At the same time, CE approval gives access to European Union and EU Free Trade Association countries, which sets a firm foundation to develop European markets. Based in domestic and eyeing on the world, Tidecom has branches in Anhui, Guangxi, Inner Mongolia, Ningxia, Gansu, and Xinjiang, and marketing offices in Indonesia, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, Nigeria, and Kazakhstan. Professional after-sale service teams provide customers in the world with strong technical support. In China's starch industry, Tidecom takes the leading place in quality and energy saving, and earns great reputation and compliments. The installed production lines from Tidecom produce more than 50% of the total potato starch in China. So far, Tidecom's production lines have served more than 140 starch producers, around 100 of them located in China and 40 in different countries. While helping customers harvest good economic returns, it also builds up long-term strategic cooperation relationship with the customers. Based on the brand promotion experience in the international market, Tidecom has actively joined hands with excellent domestic food and packaging suppliers and established the Food and Packaging Technological Development Alliance. The alliance has a global strategy and is guiding members to share resources and global markets, to display Chinese manufacturing power, and to provide the global clients with a one-stop and comprehensive industry chain service. With the blueprint and magnificent plans, it's time to set new sail. Tidecom will continue to create value for clients, innovate life with the technology, and to be the leading provider of global food engineering technology.